बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है।
The Selfish Eagle Complete Story. In the high mountains lived a mighty eagle named Amoz. He was proud of his strength and speed. Whenever other birds asked for help, he refused. "I am the king of the sky," he said. "I don't need anyone." One day, a fierce storm came. The sky turned dark, and heavy winds began to blow. Amoz tried to fly above the clouds, but the storm grew stronger. Lightning flashed, rain poured, and he was thrown into a rocky valley. He cried for help, but no bird came. Finally, a small dove, who once offered him friendship, came and said, "If you had cared for others, many would have come to save you." The eagle realized too late that power without kindness is weakness. Moral: never let pride and selfishness blind you. Those who help others never fall alone.